So, welcome back to my channel. My name is Rekha. Today, I am going to show you a very easy kind of abstract floral painting, like a loose painting of some flowers and leaves in between. So, hope you all like it. So, let's move to the video. So, here is my watercolor paper of 440 GSM and my brushes, round brush 9, 4 and 7. These three brushes I'm using for this painting, and also my paint palette and water and towel. So first I'm going to use my 9 brush. So first I'm going to use the scarlet lake color. So adding more water. So here I'm going to do a flower. I'm just using my brush to and fro. It doesn't have to be perfect. The petals, just move your brush. Yes. Okay. Okay. So let it dry, and next I'm going to use cadmium yellow here. The same method. Just move your brush. Imagine a center for your flower and like a petal shape. Yes. I'm going to use 7 round brush. Here I'm going to use cobalt blue, and with the same method, just okay. Okay. So 3 flowers in 3 perspectives. So I'm going to use 4 round brush, and here I am using vermilion color, and here a small flower with the same method. Okay. And here I have mixed ultramarine blue with cobalt blue, and here I am just doing a bud shape. Okay, like a bud. Okay, and next another. Okay, cadmium yellow, Here, just in certain spaces where you want to add florals or buds, you can add. And here I have taken orange, cadmium orange, and I'm going to paint another flower. Now I am going to add green color or some green leaves side on the side of these flowers. So let it dry. After that we can do the center part. So here I am going to use deep green color, and now I'm going to add some leaves. Okay, leaves. Here I am going to add leaves here and there because we want to see the flowers. And here also a small stem and adding more leaves. And here I am adding a tiny bit of black to some green. Wait, just adding some black. Okay. Fill the white space with leaves. Okay. Adding more leaves. So the flowers would be seen in between the leaves. Okay. And on the background, if you want, you can just apply some light wash of green, or you can add different shades of leaves. Okay, here I am just adding some water so the green color of the leaves would spread. on the background. The leaves are not just seen, can merely seen, but it's okay, fine. It has its own natural beauty. So now I am going to let it dry the background, and now I am going to fill the center. So here I am going to use some lemon yellow mixed with green color and just applying on the center of this flower. Okay, if you want, here I am using a tiny bit of black just to give some dots. Okay, and now for this flower, here I am using some yellow ochre. And next, here I am using burnt amber. Okay, and for this tiny flower, just using black color. Okay, yes, let the background dry, and after that we can add more leaves so to make it more defined. Okay, so now it has dried, and now I am going to add green color. That means not adding water to it, just applying painting leaves, saturated. Okay, this here I have not added any water. Just taking the paint and directly painting leaves. Okay, just in the on the side of these flowers, a tiny bit of water. Just use only a tiny bit of water, not more. Okay, just adding. Okay, the leaves. Okay, you should see the flowers. Okay, for the so if you want, you can add more dark leaves like this. So here I am just stopping this adding leaves. So I just want to give tiny spots to the center of these flowers. So yeah, here is your very easy loose, maybe if you want you can say kind of abstract floral painting. So hope you all like it. So please give a try, and so like this video if you like it, and please leave a comment, and we all see in the next video. Bye.